Hello guys, welcome back to Technologer. From this tutorial, we will start a new training series for SolidWorks 2023. If you want to see such type of videos, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. So when you open your SolidWorks 2023 software, you will see the welcome software windows will pop up here. In this, if you look for part, you can we will be working on this part option. So apart from that, you can see this assembly and drawing. So if you have already made your design and if you want to assemble all those parts, you can just directly click on this assembly option. And if you have made your design and you want to convert it into 2D sketch, then you can just go for this drawing option. So, coming to the next, which is recent documents. In this, if you have worked on a recent like designs or recent projects, those all files will be shown here. So, if you have paused and if you are just reopening your software at that time, it will help. Like it will show you which recent designs you have worked on. So, and same goes for the folders. If you have saved your design in some particular folders, then which all recent folders you have used, that all folders will be shown here. So you can directly just click on those folders and you can access whichever design you want to access. So right now, I will click on the part because we will in this basic tutorial we'll just go for part option. So we will click on part. When you left click, this part screen will be shown. In this whole area which you are seeing is for looking your design. In this you will see your designs, or you have to draw your designs and all. So apart from that, on your right side you can see all those planes options. Okay, right plane, top plane and front plane. Apart from that, you can also specify the materials. That how to do that I will tell you in our further videos. And when you go on the top, you will see all those features which you are using to extrude it, or you have to sweep the boss, or you have to cut the material. All those tools are present here. And sketch option is where you will sketch your line, circles, plane or rectangle or whatever arc, whatever you want to sketch. You can use these icons. And those markup, evaluate, embedded dimensions and add inserts, all those we will cover in our advanced like tutorials. So before moving to further to draw your sketch, or you to design your part, you have to make sure you have to select the right unit system. So for that, you have to just look for on the left bottom. You can see this, it is written mmgs. When you just left click on that, you will see different unit systems, and this depends on how you are like convenient with the unit systems, or how it is given in the drawing or GAD drawing. Okay, so right now we will select mmgs because it is I am very much convenient with it. Okay, then we will go for the planes. So you can work on any plane, but that also depends on how you are visualizing your design, like how you are considering to draw your design in your mind. So for now we will select top plane, and when you just left click on the top plane, you will see the four options. Okay, in this, if you have to go for sketch option because it will allow to sketch on that plane. So we will just left click on that. See, now this has become normal to the plane, or normal to your screen, whatever it is. So you have to go for sketch option. In this, we will start by just drawing a simple basic lines. So look for the line option. So see here, line. It also has a shortcut of L. Okay. When you just take your cursor to any of the icons, it will give you a visual animation and a short description. See, for line, how to draw a line of a small animation has given along with a short description at the bottom. So that will help you. So for now, I will just click on the line, and you have to specify two options, 2 points to complete your line. So for that, I will select the origin. This always make sure you have to select origin as first line, first point, because it will help in completing your sketch to fully defined. So what is fully defined and all, I will just tell you as we go on further. So for right now, I will just select here. So when you move your cursor along to the origin, you can see in that yellow box a small tangent and intersection point it is showing. That yellow box is called as relation. That will help you tell your point, like how, where exactly it is, or what relation it is showing. So see here, it is exactly at the center. So I will just click on that and I will drag my cursor. So when you see, when your line is approximately to the straight line, in that relation you can see a dash or a horizontal line. This indicates that your sketch is in horizontal or it is completely flat. Okay, so see, if you want to confirm, you can also confirm with the angle which is showing 180 degrees, and those distance from the center which is showing 105, 110 mm and all. So right now I will select one point. After that, you have to go for select. So a basic line has been completed. So right now we will draw a simple sketch. For that, again you have to select on sketch, you have to select line. After that, from this point I will left click. So when you are drawing a exactly vertical line, you can also observe it is showing some reference dotted yellow lines for your reference. See, that will also help you draw a perfect straight line. So apart from that, you can also go for the yellow relation box which is showing a vertical line. So see, so now I will complete the sketch by drawing some simple drawing. So another thing you can see, when my cursor is exactly above the center line, it is showing one relation which is showing like point is exactly above the center line. So I will complete the drawing. So you can also press escape to escape the line command. So see, your design is been completed. So have you one thing have you observed is inside your drawing a small like blue color like finish it is showing in that sketch. It is filled with some light bluish color. So this is because of this command, shaded sketch contours. So you have to go for the command in sketch and you have to find shaded sketch contours. This command will help you when your sketch is completed. The box will be filled with the color. So if you want to disable that like command, you have to just simply select. This command will be removed. So but it is recommended that you always use that sketch shaded sketch contours, because when your sketch is completed it will help you indicate that. So moving further, have you observed that some of the lines are black in color and some of the lines are blue in color? So those lines which are black in color are defined with the in relation to the origin point. So other lines which are in blue in color, which are not like completely defined in relation to the center point. To also confirm that, you can just look for the left bottom. Here you can see that it is showing under defined. So to completely define it, you have to give some dimensions. So for that, go for the sketch option. In that, look for smart dimension option. When you just click on this, now to give smart dimension, at least you have to select on that line when it is showing orange in color. See, or else you can just specify 2 points. That also is fine. So right now I will just select on this. When you select, it will show you whatever amount of dimension you want to give. You have to specify that. For that I will give, okay, so 150 mm, and then here 150. I will give 5. So to escape from this command, you have to just simply press escape. So now this 55 mm line is having 150. So this line I want to make as 150. So I will give a relation command. For that, just select on this line, press Control, and which you want to make collinear, press on that. So I want to make this line and this line to be collinear. So I will just press on this. So These both are in light blue color. So when you just observe on your right side of your monitor, you can see those relations, add relations option. Those are horizontal, vertical, collinear, perpendicular, parallel, equivalent, all those fixed options. So now I want to make collinear, so I will just release the control button and I will select collinear. So see, those 2 points are in collinear. So now I will give dimension to this 55. So now I have completed. So see, now your complete sketch is black in color. This indicates that your sketch is fully defined. So when your sketch is fully defined and if you try to give another dimension, so actually this dimension should not be necessary to be given. Even if that I am giving this, now it is showing make dimension driven. So adding this dimension will make the sketch over defined. When your sketch is fully defined and if you try to add another dimension, then this whole sketch will become yellow in color. So in this, you can see there are two options: make this dimension driven and leave this dimension as driving. Like driven and driving. Driving in the dimension driving means this black color, what smart dimension look you're looking, it is driving. So driven means it will become gray in color. So see, now we press escape. You observe this. In this driven option is driven smart dimension is gray in color, and all those remaining smart dimensions are black in color. This driven means when you change in relation with other dimensions, this will also change automatically. You don't have to change. Apart from that, if this is 45 and I will give it to be 50, so see this has automatically reduced to 45. But other things have not reduced. Those are drawings. Those dimensions are in drawing, and this isn't driven. Okay, so those when you change the drawing and when that driven dimension is in relation, that will also change. So if I want to make this driven dimension as driving, so I will just press escape. After that, I will just what you say click on this. You see, we'll look for this driven and make for drawing. So both these options are clicked. So just unclick this driven. So now you have observed this is showing item conflicts. This indicates that your sketch is overdefined or your dimension is overdefined. So one of the other thing you have to make as driven or driven. Okay, so I will do is I will make this as drawing. Now this has become driven and this is drawing. So I will change this to 50 and automatically that will be changed. So see, this has been changed. So these are the basic things which you have to look for smart dimensions. And when you want to just zoom in into your drawing, so what you have to do is you have to move your cursor into your side, like that mouse cursor you have to like move in your side. See, and if you want to zoom out, then you have to move your cursor in the direction of your monitor. You have to just take your cursor near to a design, and then apart from that you have also different options to zoom in. So this option, this is zoom to fit. When if you have already zoomed in and when you just press this, it will zoom into your like fit into your screen. And when you want to zoom a particular area, so just click on this zoom to particular area and just click on this and drag like the area which you want to zoom in, and see it is zoomed in. So then again I will press F, or you have to press this option. Press F also, this will come zoom to fit. So I will press escape. Now you, if you want to just delete your design and you want to start as a fresh, you can also click on this wrong options, or else you have to just drag this, fully select the area and just press delete. It will show the confirm delete option. You can press yes. Now your sketch is deleted. So if you want to just take it back, then you have to press Control plus Z. So your sketch will come back. So now if you want to pan your like design, then you have to press Control and you have to press that mouse scroll button, and you can just scroll your design, and this will pan along with the origin. You can also take it to anywhere on the screen, like if wherever you are convenient. If you are convenient here, then you have to just release that. Then this option is also completed. So in this tutorial, we have completed like basic drawings, how to sketch and how to use smart dimensions option and how to pan. In the next video, we will go on for trim option and other drawing options. So